are fine. Today we will going to discuss second semester, that means second term, um, sixth unit, a lesson for all, lesson for all. See, open page number 85, once you open, there are two pictures in this page. One is animals are living, and second picture, human beings we are living. Comparing to these two pictures, which picture is dirty? Where the animals don't know how to maintain the surroundings, the picture is very neat and tidy. The people are very intelligent and they know how to maintain their surroundings, and what is right and what is wrong they know very well, but they don't know how to maintain the environment properly. See here, second picture, there are so much of waste while where they are walking. See the cars and buses, they release carbon dioxide, CO2 into the air. Look at the surroundings in the two pictures. Surroundings, see, first picture, there are trees, water, and animals, everything is good. And second picture, people are very intelligent, but they don't know how to maintain their surroundings properly, which is beautiful. Obviously first one is beautiful, first picture is beautiful as far as my knowledge is concerned. See, next, third one is, which one do you like? Why? Which one do you like? I like only first one, because everything is good. There is water, there are trees, and trees are there. It is peaceful. And second one, people are walking and they are throwing waste on the roads and beside the houses. They are throwing, and from that waste we are receiving diseases. We are harming ourselves. Next, which thing attract you in the nature? In the first picture, birds are happy, animals also happy, there is a river and trees. That's why I like the first picture. Fifth one, why do your surroundings became dirty? Because we don't know certain things, how to maintain our environment, and how to behave in the, how to throw the waste, where to throw the dust. We didn't know. The governments also not providing facilities to throw the garbage. They are not keeping dustbins. They are not they are not sanitizing properly, we can say. It is right. This is the page number 85. You observe and you extract some more information by observing these two pictures. Next, coming to page number 86, a lesson for all. It is a very good lesson for each and everyone, not only children, it is for elders also. It is a lesson to almost all people living on the earth. Characters, there are so many characters are in this lesson. Persons and animals, there are two types. One is human beings, second one is animals. Human beings, the person who the people think that he knows everything, and animals, they don't know anything. There is a, we will find the difference between the animals and human beings, persons. Mayor of the town, milkman, newspaper boy, hawker, school bus driver, Dr. Swati, Mrs. Ropa, a housewife, Mrs. Ropa, a housewife, and Mr. Vamsi, a businessman, Mrs. Geta, a housewife, Jansi and Kalyani, Mrs. Geta's daughters. School going girls, those are school going girls. For animal side, rabbit, deer, squirrel, tiger, tortoise and birds. This side these animals, this side human beings. Now these are the characters are in this lesson. In this lesson there are many characters. You have to remember each and every character thoroughly, children. See, in this lesson, before going to the lesson, a city street early in the morning. A city street early in the morning. City, not in the village. It is a street, city early in the morning. Early morning in the city. The street is littered means mess up. Mess up means dirty. A street is dirty with plastic bags. Plastic bags and cartons means a light boxes after using, suppose match box, after completing the matchsticks we throw that box outside. The waste boxes we are throwing outside our surroundings, and other garbage enters Mr. Vamsi. Along this waste is on the road. This Mr. Vamsi is walking, enters to the city street. Mr. Vamsi enters to the city street. Morning he woke up and he wants to come out. Looking out into the distance. He was far from, not very far. He maintained some distance. There he could see lot of mess, lot of garbage, lot of waste, plastic bags and all unusual things are on the road. The newspaper hasn't been delivered today. It was 9 o'clock. Why? It is 9 o'clock. It was then. The time is 9 o'clock, but Mr. Vamsi did not receive newspaper. Usually, newspaper comes to our home at 5:30 or 6 o'clock. 5:30 or 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock exactly we will receive. We receive the newspaper, but 9 completed. It is time to going for office or schools. Mrs. Roper also came out. Hello, Mr. Vamsi. She is wishing to the Vamsi. Who is wishing? Mrs. Roper wishing to the Vamsi. Mr. Vamsi. Now Mr. Vamsi is saying, "Hi, Mrs. Roper. Have you received your newspaper today?" He asked a question to the Roper. He asked, "Have you received a newspaper today?" He asked to Roper. Mrs. Roper is giving a reply. "No, Mr. Vamsi, the newspaper boy hasn't delivered the newspaper. He did not deliver the newspaper till now. He did not deliver the newspaper. He did not come even." Next, Mr. Vamsi, "What about our milkman?" And he asked, Mrs. Roper, "I made a call to him. He told me that he was coming on foot. And usually he comes and gives milk on his bicycle. But something is happened. That's why he is coming now on foot." Mr. Vamsi, "Oh, look at our street. It is shocking. Mr. Vamsi is saying to Mrs. Roper, "Oh, look at our street road or street. It is shocking because usually this street is very neat, but today the street is not neat because something had happened. That every possible. Sometimes there is a glass bottles also, broken glass bottles also on the street. How can we cannot walk on the street because broken glass bottles are there. If we walk on that, we'll get hurt. So here, Mrs. Roper, my word, what is this? What is this? She said. Where did all this litter and garbage come from? Where these unusual things? Where these litter, waste boxes and glass bottles, broken glass bottles on the street? Where did these all have come from? She shocked enters Mrs. Geta with her daughter. Mrs. Geta also enters. Mrs. Geta enters with her daughters. Two daughters. Mrs. Geta with her daughters. They school-going girls. Suddenly, Kalyani falls and injured her foot. Gives out a cry of pain. Immediately, when she is falling on the road, suddenly she got hurt. And immediately she is starting crying. Kalyani, oh, ouch! My foot. It hurts. It is paining. She shows sad feeling because her feet, her foot was paining. Kalyani and Jansi, two are sisters. Mrs. Geta, oh Kalyani, oh no, her foot is bleeding so much. Somebody help, please. Another Mrs. Geta. Who is Mrs. Geta? A housewife. Who is Mrs. Geta? A housewife came and said, oh Kalyani, your daughter foot is bleeding, blood is coming. So she is calling somebody to help her. Page number 87. See here, page number 8. Before going to page number 87, in this page number 86, he introduced us. He introduced Mr. Vamsi, Mrs. Ropa, Mr. Vamsi, and Geta and Kalyani, and two daughters also he introduced to us in this page number 86. I hope you know all characters. Mayor of the town, milkman, he in the lesson introduced. Newspaper boy also came. Next, hawkers, school bus, they didn't come, and Ropa also, Mr. Vamsi, businessman, Mrs. Geta, a housewife, Jansi and Kalyani, Mrs. Geta's daughters. See page number 86. That Kalyani, her foot was bleeding, and this Mrs. Geta, oh Kalyani, Geta asked help from others. Mrs. Ropa, Jansi, go and request Dr. Swati. Mrs. Ropa telling to Jansi, go and request Mr. Swati to come quickly. Mrs. Ropa said to Jansi, go and request the doctor to come quickly. Your sister has cut herself on a broken glass bottle. She unfortunately kept her foot on the broken glass bottle. Suddenly she got injured. Blood is coming very deep. Blood is coming very high. Mrs. Geta, unbelievable. Where has all this rubbish come from? Mrs. Geta said, unbelievable. Yesterday there was no, this street was very neat. What happened? Where has all this rubbish come from? Where has all this rubbish, this material, unusual material, where did it come from? Dr. Swati enters with Jansi. Dr. Swati enters with Jansi. She has a doctor's kit. Who has a doctor's kit? Dr. Swati is having a doctor's kit. Dr. Swati, let me see the wound. Dr. Swati came and asked the Kalyani, where is the wound? Let me see the wound. Mr. Vamsi, doctor, shall I go and bring a piece of ice to stop the bleeding? This Vamsi came near and asking the doctor. He wanted to bring ice cube, and if you keep ice cube on bleeding place, it stops bleeding. Dr. Swati, good idea. Applies ice on the wound. It is a deep cut. It is a deep cut. So go and bring the ice cube so we can stop bleeding. If you keep the ice cubes on the place where the wound is, blood is coming. I will dress the wound and she will be fine. I will dress up. I will make it. I will make this wound clean, so it will be. She will be fine. The wound and she will be fine. Mrs. Geta, thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. It is so kind of you to come at once. We are very fortunate. You are very so kind because we called you at once. You have started. You have come here. Thank you. Have you seen the rubbish and litter on the road? Geta told to Swati. Who is Swati? Doctor. Who is Swati? Doctor. Oh, it is a mystery. All this garbage was not there yesterday. This garbage was not there yesterday. How has it come from? And now, just look. It is very dirty. Enters newspaper boy, milkman, hawker, bus driver. These four, while they were talking, these four members are coming towards them. Mrs. Ropa, look, the newspaper boy, the milkman, at last. Why are you so late? Why are you so late? Mrs. Ropa is telling to all. Look, the newspaper boy, the milkman, at last. Why are you so late? What happened? Why are you so late? Why did you not give newspaper in time? Now almost 10 o'clock. You usually give newspaper at 6 o'clock. Now today 10 o'clock. Why? What happened? And they asked the milkman also. Why did he not give the milk? Milkman, I had to come walking all the way. I have a bicycle, but that bicycle had given trouble. That's why I had to come here all the way by walking. There is no other alternate. Newspaper boy, I tripped on an old tire in the middle of the road and sprain means turn my foot. In Telugu, we can call that is benakadam. Sprain means benakadam. Turned we can use. While he was newspaper boy, while he is coming to distribute newspapers to every house, his foot was sprained and he fell down. That's why it became late. Bus driver, Mrs. Geta, I am sorry, I can't drive the school bus today. He told, I can't drive the school bus because so much of waste and broken glass bottles are there on the road. If I drive the bus, my all four tires will be punctured. Even on every road, the streets, there is nothing but litter. Every road is filled with garbage and dust. Mrs. Gether, our children are not faced with all these dangerous uh, broken objects around. Our children, she is school going girl. While she is going to school, unfortunately she stamped on the broken glass bottle. She got hurt. She got hurt. Not now. Kalyani got hurt. If we send all children to school, remaining they will also get hurt. So Mrs. Geta said objects around. If we send our children, they will also face like problems like Kalyani occur. No one is safe. Let us request the mayor to come and see for himself. We will give complaint to the mayor. So he will come and see the situation in our streets. Mr. Vamsi, I will fetch him. I will fetch him means here I will bring him. Mr. Vamsi, businessman, went to the mayor's office and he told everything to the mayor, and mayor is coming now. He exists means he left that place. Who left that place? Mr. Vamsi left that place and he went to the mayor office. Enters again with the mayor. Again he comes with the mayor. The mayor annoyed. Annoyed means irritated. Why did he irritate? And shocking also. He is shocking because what is this litter? What is this dust around all the streets? How did it come back into the town overnight? Suddenly, how did it come? Night, it was not there. Early morning, it is there. Full of dust, wastage, glass bottles, boxes, unusual boxes on the road. Bus driver, nobody knows. It is a mystery. It is how did it come? We don't know. It is a mystery. Enters animals who have been hiding: deer, rabbit, birds, squirrel, tiger. Animals are there. No, they entered into the scene. Before they were hiding beside the backside of the trees. They were hiding in the bushes. See, here the people, first of all, we have to check ourselves whether we are following pollution. We are cutting the plants. We are cutting the branches. We are using bikes. We are throwing dust outside. We are even though we have capacity to take the jute bags, we are not taking the jute bags. We are using these plastic bags. We are cutting trees. We are because of factories, we are releasing chemicals into the water in the rivers as well as oceans and seas. We are responsible for these all pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, sound pollution. Who is main reason for these all pollutions? Human beings are responsible. Human beings are making these all the nature dirty, environment dirty. Water pollution, we are releasing chemicals into the water. And next, sound pollution, we are using bikes. Some of them are using big sounds, horns and all, lorry, buses and all. Because of them, we are getting pollution, air pollution, water pollution, air pollution. We are releasing smoke. Factories are releasing smoke. Buses are releasing smoke. Bikes, releasing smoke. No one is using bicycles, and for small distance they are using bikes and all. They are not interested to walk on the road. They want everything fast. That's why they are using even flights, even train. These are all are releasing CO2. Ozone layer had got holes in the ozone layer. See, the animals, the human beings, humans are very intelligent, and they think that they are developing factories versus they are inventing each and everything. But human beings are not at all happy. The situation in this year, even though we have crores of money, even though we have food to eat, but there is no mental health. We are not healthy. Even though we have money, even though we have food enough to eat, but there is a atmosphere is not good because of corona. Everything got spoiled. Who is the responsible? Who is responsible? Who is responsible? We are responsible. Even though we are intelligent, we did not stop the corona. We did not stop the vaccine immediately. Many people had died. Almost 1 crore people may die in the world. In the world. See, this is, we are thinking that we are developing. What for we are developing? If human beings are dying day by day, what is the use of developing? What is the use of developing? Here, animals, they don't have much wisdom and knowledge, but they are living happily. Here, we are learning. They are giving a lesson to us. Because of them, we can learn lesson from the animals. Animals are not intelligent, but we are intelligent. Even though we are intelligent, we are learning from the animals. We are learning from the trees. We are learning from the water. What nature is teaching to us, human beings. Nature is teaching to us. We are learning from the nature. We are not teaching to the nature. Nature is teaching to us. Human beings are not at all intelligent than nature. See here, if you read this lesson, remaining lesson, the animals are teaching to us. Animals are teaching to us how to live and how to survive. So we will discuss remaining part tomorrow. You read this lesson 2 times and understand and by heart the characters. Read 2 or 3 times, so you will understand this lesson. If you have any problem and any doubt, please send through WhatsApp, which I have given. You send through the WhatsApp, I will answer your doubts. Thank you. Have a good day. See all subjects videos. Don't neglect. Be careful and have a good day to all. Thank you.